To get started, I just added a video clip to my timeline that I like to put my text inside, and above that I have a text clip. Now let's begin by going over to the Effects panel and type Track Matte Key into the search box. Then drag the Track Matte Key effect onto your video clip on the timeline. Next, go over to Effect Control, and then here you'll see your Track Matte Key effect you just added next to Matte. Click the drop down and select the video track. Your text is on, mine's on the V2 track, so I'll select Video 2. Okay, and just like that, my video has been placed inside my text. But let's say you want a different color background instead of black. To do this, go over to your project panel and right-click inside. Go to New Item Color. The default setting should match your timeline, so just hit OK. Then simply select the color you want from the color picker box and hit OK. You can give yours a name if you'd like. I'll just name mine White. Okay, and there added our color matte to the project panel. But before we use it, you'll need to drag to select your video and text clip on the timeline, and then drag them up one track. Now drag the white clip below the other clips, and you may want to extend the color clip's duration so it matches your other clips. Finally, let's reselect our video clip and go back over to the track matte. Key in Effect Controls. Since we moved our clips up, our text is now on the V3 track, so we'll have to change the matte to Video 3. Alright, and now I have my video inside my text, but with a white background. While I used a white background, keep in mind that you could put a video or image underneath your video clip, and it works the same way as a white color. That's it for this tutorial. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.